Your channel is currently not able to earn. What happened? After reviewing your channel using the combination of automated system and human reviewers, we found out that it does not follow our YouTube channel monetization policies. Reviewers feedback, reused content. You click on reused content. Content is not clearly an original creation of this channel and may have been repurposed from another sources without adding significant original commentary, substantive modifications, or educational or entertainment value. As you guys can see, this is my channel that has been demonetized, due to reused content. The main information I want to pass using this channel is the story of shadow ban, because I've been hearing this word shadow banning, YouTube shadow ban me. So I don't clearly understand what it means or how it works. I don't know if you're getting my point, because I kept asking myself, this shadow banning, how does it work? What are you going to do before YouTube shadow bans you? What is the meaning of shadow ban? What are you going to do before you can say your channel is shadow banned? Are you going to get notified that your channel is shadow banned? So all these things is what I'm going to break out. I'm still carrying research to know exactly how to deal with this shadow ban until I discovered that probably this my channel is shadow banned. Because from the research and everything that I've gathered, if you are not getting your views through YouTube recommendation, there is a very big possibility that your channel is shadow banned. When I'm saying this thing, I don't mean for new creators. If you're not getting views through YouTube recommendation as a new creator, you are not shadow banned. It clearly means that maybe YouTube have not really understood what your content is all about and they are not yet taking it to the right audience. Are you getting my point? But for the case of this channel, I think this channel has been shadow ban. This is what I think, this is what I feel, and this I'm going to state the following reasons that made me feel this way. If there are people that know exactly, maybe that have gone through this phase of shadow banning, they can please come to the comment section and also educate us. All of us want to learn. Me, I want to know more because I'm still carrying out some research concerning this shadow ban. Does YouTube actually shadow ban channels, or is just a mere talk? So let us find out using this particular channel that has been demonetized. Let us go into this channel. This is an entertainment channel, so I personally grew this channel last year from 0 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers, basically with shorts, and this channel met the criteria. I applied for monetization. The channel got monetized, but look at the mistake I made that you shouldn't make. So after monetizing the channel, it's like after 1 month, the channel got demonetized again because I was not posting. The time I was building this channel is the time I was building this same particular channel that you are watching now, which is Jazzy Studios. So both of them got monetized. I was focusing on this one and I left this one. So the channel got demonetized. I don't know why it was demonetized. And before then, I must have deleted some videos. I don't know if you're getting my point, because I monetized the channel and I wanted to use it for another thing entirely. Look at what YouTube said here. YouTube said, here is what you can do. Appeal if you think we made a mistake. If you think we made a mistake, send us an appeal telling us why. We will review your appeal and get back to you with a decision within 14 days. Only choose this option if you have not deleted any video since this channel was suspended from monetization. So me, I couldn't appeal because truly I have deleted some videos. So me, I was thinking that maybe the reason why they demonetized this channel is because I was not posting. Because after monetization, you are supposed to be posting. Let's say YouTube monetized 10 channels, and out of that 10 channels, all of them are making posts except one particular channel. Because check it like this: if advertisers bring ads and YouTube plays the ads on the 10 channels, so after the end of every month, this one will bring return, this one will bring return, then one particular one is not bringing return. They might see it as maybe this channel is monetized accidentally, so that is, I don't know why it was demonetized, but I couldn't appeal, so I just have to leave the channel and focus on this particular one. Last month I said, okay, let me go back to this channel and actually know what the problem is. Meanwhile, I have deleted all the videos I posted. I want to start afresh and start posting new videos on the channel. The channel already have 1,000 subscribers. I want to start posting new videos then and see if I can grow the channel again. Maybe this time around not with shorts, but with long form videos and the shorts. So now that is what I said that I'm going to do. Then I start posting last month. Now look at the result that I'm getting. So this is my long form videos. Look at the result that I'm getting. 6 views, 14 views, 14 views, 107 views, 17 views. So now see the funny part of it. This one that have 107, when I posted the first video, 6 views, the second video, 14 views. I was like, what is actually wrong with this channel? Because this is the topic that I was posting that got this channel monetized. The 1,000 subscribers subscribed because of this topic that I'm posting. So why are they not watching my long form videos? So that is the question I kept asking myself. And I was like, or is this the shadow banning that I'm talking about? So now I said, okay, I will equally use this channel to test run the YouTube ads, the YouTube promotion. So this one you are seeing 107 views. I actually did the YouTube promotion there. So now let me show you. Let me show you something. Can you see? This is the how viewers found this video. Are you seeing a traffic source? YouTube advertising 104. Then this one is subscription field and channel pages. Now let's assume that this channel is shadow banned, then I think that if I run YouTube promotion, if I get the target audience that I'm looking for, then when I start posting, YouTube can equally send the video out to the right audience. After the promotion, I posted another video, 17 views. I was like, okay, maybe this is a long form content. That is why it is not getting views. So now, let us now go to shorts. Let me go back to shorts. These are my short videos. So that is when I now start thinking that could this be shadow ban? Because no matter how small your views are on a long form video, if you post short, you are supposed to have views. You are supposed to have views. So now, what I'm seeing here is 0 views on shorts. Shorts that YouTube is pushing very well. So why the 0 views on shorts? That is when I was now thinking, could this be shadow ban? So now, I now start carrying out research and experiments to know exactly how this shadow ban works and how someone can remove it if truly it's existing that YouTube can shadow ban somebody. I feel that if YouTube will shadow ban a channel, it must be a channel that have violated their policy or a channel that has been demonetized, because I noticed that something like this happened to my first channel, Nation TV, the time it was demonetized in 2022. After that, I was posting video, I was not seeing result again. I was like, wait a minute, what is going on? Until the video start picking up again. So I also equally want to check if that is what is happening here. I'm going to come back and give you guys feedback. So this particular channel, I'm not going to give up on this channel. I will continue to post here. I will continue to grow it and see the exact day or the exact video that will turn things around. But for now, if you have any news, any info, anything at all, or any experience that has to do with shadow ban, just go to the comment section and say it. Just type it. I'm going to read all your comments and reply. So the reason why I brought this is because if you are creating content, be mindful of the content that you are creating. The content that I posted on this channel, it was a reaction content. I have to be honest, it was reaction content. I was reacting to some videos. So I don't really know maybe how that reaction videos work, but if you are into reaction video, just be very, very careful with the way you create your videos, because there is a thin line between reaction and demonetization. So just the videos are not originally created by you, so you are supposed to know how to react to them. If there is anywhere you can cut, or I'm not saying that maybe the channel should start having millions of views, no, but 0 view, 1 view, 2 views means that something is wrong, and I'm going to find out why, and I'm going to find out what is wrong. Once I find out, I'm still going to come and talk about it on this particular channel. What we do here is to help you grow. Okay, now let's take a look at this one that have 17 views. How viewers found this video. You will be seeing channel pages, YouTube search, browse features, end screen. There is nothing like YouTube recommendation. It means that YouTube are not pushing the video. They are not pushing it. They just left it there. Channel that have subscribers already supposed to have views. Even if the long form video is not doing well, that is fine. I will take it that, okay, it's a new channel, but the short form video supposed to go. Even if it's 100 views, but YouTube recommendation is off. So that is now what got me thinking that this shadow ban, does it truly work? If you have encountered any experience concerning shadow ban, please go to the comment section and share it. If you are a new channel, please, this thing have nothing to do with you. If you created your channel newly, you are struggling to have views, that one is normal, because you don't have audience yet. Most people don't even know what you are doing on YouTube. Even YouTube don't even know what you are doing, so they need time to understand your content and equally understand the audience that you're looking for, then send your videos to the right audience. It doesn't mean that your channel is shadow banned. No, what I'm saying is, for a channel that has been monetized before, for a channel that has been pushed by YouTube before, all of a sudden after demonetization, everything stopped going. So what could be the cause? Does it mean that the channel is shadow banned? So that is what I actually want to inquire from somebody that is watching this video. If you have experienced something like this before, just come and share in the comment section. Let me see. Remember, my name is Jazzy, and all we do here is practical, teaching you YouTube like an 8-year-old baby. So I equally share my experience and experience from other creators. I combine all of them and use it and teach you. So now I want to learn. Thank you so much.